So, maling itawag na dress at mga yellow sa ilang head. Next feature, right, is our umbrella. Like the sea eagle that we find in Southeast Asia. It's very different. Please settle down. Sa likod na siya naman, kaya namin ka ba? Again, please settle down sa nakaliyo ka. Kasi nakaliyo mo ha. Again, please settle down. Kaya namin mo ba kapay? And please settle down. Let's say to everyone, please settle down. So let's see, so what about our body? So the way in the back with a V-shaped form. The wingspan of this bird can be up to 2.2 feet. Go soon! Go soon! Now guys, are you ready for the basketball game? Everyone ready again? Are you guys ready? Alright, birds ready. Trainers ready. Set, go! Let's go, blue, let's go, blue. So first ball by blue, followed by blue. Second ball for blue, let's go, blue. Second ball, blue, and blue wins the basketball game. So hello everyone, mga ayaw sa tanan, and welcome to si George and Peter. So I'm Jesse, your host.